Now we will discuss intercostal artery. Intercostal artery that lies in the intercostal space. There are two sets of intercostal artery, that is anterior and posterior. Anterior one that lies here in pink color. In pink color, here from this arising from internal thoracic artery. This is internal thoracic artery, and this one is the anterior intercostal artery. And in dark red color from posterior aspect, this is the posterior intercostal artery. So they comes in two set, that is the anterior and posterior. Anterior one, they are paired. They come two in number in each side, right and left. And they are 9 in number because anterior intercostal space are 9, but the posterior intercostal space, they are 11 in number. So there are 11 posterior intercostal artery, but they are only 1 in number. Okay, and anterior, there are 2 in number in each intercostal space. Okay, and now come to the branches from which the anterior intercostal artery arises. हमेशा आगे कौन रहता है जो ज्यादा बोलता है? नेता लोग, जैसे ये है, इट्स एमपी, member of parliament. Here we are seeing the parliament. So who comes in front always? One who does show business, and that is none other than its MP. It's come anterior. Okay, so IT, it MP, IT for internal thoracic artery, that give rise to first to sixth intercostal artery, anterior intercostal artery. Whereas musculophrenic, MP stands for musculophrenic, which give rise to 7th to 9th anterior intercostal artery. Okay, this in pink color, this is internal thoracic, and then it diverges into two at the 6th intercostal space. This one, which in line with the internal thoracic, this is the superior epigastric, here it is written, and this one which goes laterally is the musculophrenic, and from the musculophrenic the 7 to 9 arises. Okay, now coming to posterior. पीछे कौन रह जाता है जिंदगी में? पीछे हमेशा सीधा लोग रह जाता है, जो कम बोलता है, सीधा लोग. तो posterior intercostal artery, they are 1 in number, and there is 11 spaces on both sides, right and left, and they are the branch of Seedha, that is the superior intercostal and the descending aorta, DA. So first and second posterior intercostal artery, it arises from the superior intercostal, which is the branch of costocervical trunk, which is the branch of subclavian, and DA for the descending aorta. Okay, that give rise to from 3 onward, that is 3 to 11 posterior intercostal artery. Now coming to branches. Anterior gives only one branch, anterior cutaneous branch. Okay, this is anterior intercostal artery, which is coming out from the internal thoracic artery, and there are few anterior cutaneous branches coming out from this. It is not shown there. Okay, and it takes only short course, and at the level of costochondral junction, it anastomoses with the, as it in pair, there are 2 in number in each intercostal space, upper and the lower. Upper one get anastomosed with the main posterior intercostal artery, whereas the lower one anastomosed with the collateral branch. Okay, this is in green color, this is the collateral branch which is going to anastomose with the lower anterior intercostal artery, lower anterior intercostal artery, and the upper one anastomose with the main posterior intercostal artery. Okay, and now coming to the branches of posterior. नर्व में हम लोग क्या पढ़े थे? नर्व में था ब्रांचेस कर्नल-आलम.com. इसमें क्या है? कर्नल डम्बल. Here what we are seeing, is a military personnel and is carrying dumbbell. So colonel dumbbell. Colonel is a colonel. Colonel dumbbell. Okay. So colonel is for collateral branch. It gives one collateral branch in green color. This is, and dumbbell is for dorsal branch, which is going to the here. Dorsal branch to the muscle and skin of the back. Okay, and as well as the spinal cord. Dorsal branch, muscular branch. These are few muscular branches going to the muscles of the thoracic wall, and the mammary branch. Only third, fourth, and fifth intercostal, posterior intercostal. We are talking about the posterior intercostal. So third, fourth, and fifth. How you can memorize? Because there are 3 mammary, in word mammary, M. So starting from 3 and 3, 4, 5. 3 digits. 3 numbers, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 intercostal artery. They are giving blood to the mammary gland. So mammary branch. And the bronchial, only in the right side. And third posterior intercostal artery gives bronchial branch. Where is the left bronchial is the branch of the thoracic aorta. Okay, and the dumbbell, double M, bull, and the L is for the lateral cutaneous branch. Here is the lateral cutaneous branch, this one, which further gives anterior and the posterior branch. Okay, so this way you can memorize easily. Now coming to course and relation. Intercostal artery, IA. Intercostal artery welcomes everyone because he has got jolly nature, very good nature, is very good relation. We are talking about the relation now. So he is in very good relation with the other. So in right side as well as in the left side, they are laughing. Okay, in the right side, अट्ठास, OTAS, अट्ठास means जोर जोर से हंसना. Yeah, and in the left side it is हंस रहा है. ठीक है, हंस, HS. Okay, तो अट्ठास in the right side, because वो सही है ना, तो क्यों नहीं हंसेगा? सही है तो हंसना ही है, चाहिए. तो what is the relation in the paravertebral space? There is first O, esophagus, अट्ठास, T for thoracic duct, then A for azygous vein, and then sympathetic trunk. OTAS, अट्ठास. Okay, जोर जोर से हंसना. Okay, and now it is running in the intercostal space. This is the relation you have to write. In the paravertebral space, the relation of the posterior intercostal artery anteriorly lies these 4 structure. Okay, and the posteriorly there is paravertebral muscle as well as the intercostal membrane, internal intercostal membrane. Okay, and we all know that in the intercostal space it runs in the neurovascular plane that lies in between the second and third layer. That is, outside there is internal intercostal muscle, and the most externally there is external intercostal, and just deep to it there is 3 sister. From anterior to posterior it is sternocostalis, then innermost intercostal, and the posteriorly subcostalis. Okay, and it lies in the costal groove, and the relation is van, that first comes superior to inferior. There is intercostal vein, then artery, and then nerve. We have to write like this, that intercostal artery relation, the paravertebral space and in the intercostal space. Paravertebral अट्ठास, and here is हंस रहा है लेफ्ट साइड में. तो ये हंस क्या है? HAS, hemiazygous or accessory hemiazygous. Okay, and S for sympathetic trunk, and then again intercostal space, the same relation. Okay, now coming to the clinical significance. In the intercostal nerve, what was the clinical significance? That was nervous. Cheater nervous रहते हैं. Cheaters are nervous people. Okay, तो nerve का cheater हो गया. Here is the artery. Art word comes from artery. Okay. So art is precious. Here you can see a beautiful painting. One art, very precious. So PC, clinical significance, paracentesis, thoracis, and coarctation of aorta. Paracentesis, thoracis, that we withdraw fluid from the thoracic cavity by a needle, and it should be uh, done very cautiously, because in the posterior aspect, posterior intercostal artery take an oblique course. When it comes out from the, here what we are seeing, it takes an oblique course. So there is chances of, in this pic not clear, here perhaps you can see they are taking oblique course. Okay, not a straight, oblique course. So there are chances of injury. So we have to be very much cautious in case of paracentesis thoracis. And the coarctation of aorta, what is it? It is a developmental defect, and there is a narrowing of aorta, mostly after the left subclavian, and that will lead to opening of many anastomotic channel, as well as the intercostal arteries, the anastomosis between the anterior and the posterior. They will open, and there will be blood flow, heavy blood flow from the intercostal arteries, and that will lead to notching of ribs. So this is another clinical significance. Thank you.